Alright, so what if I told you there was a way to instantly create temporary email addresses for verification? No sign up, no spam, and no strings attached. So this one trick would allow you bypass email verification in seconds. And the best part about this is that it works every time and is 100% free. Right before we jump into it, let's give a shout out to this video sponsor, prbros.io. Alright guys, so huge shout out to PR Bros for sponsoring this video. If you've ever wanted to get the Asinon badge for your business, just like the big brands, PR Bros makes it happen. They get you featured on over 200 major news websites, helping you rank higher on Google, build instant trust, and attract more customers, all without breaking the bank. And with the Business Pro package, you will land on top tier site, giving your brand massive exposure. So if you're serious about boosting your credibility, check out prbros.io today. Alright, so let's jump back into the video. Alright, so what I want you to do right now is to come over to Smailpro.com. So I'm going to be leaving a link to this website down in the video description, and also it's going to be displayed right here on the screen. So if you're tired of giving out your real email for every sign up, Smailpro.com is about to be your best friend. It allows you instantly generate temporary email addresses you can use for verification, downloads, or even free trials. You know what I'm saying, right? Now, without even touching your main inbox. So no sign up, no spam, just quick disposable emails that gets the job done. Now let me show you how it works. Alright guys, so once you are here, now I want you to follow me closely. Now go ahead and click on full access, okay? If you click on full access, automatically it opens up this new page for you, and you can see you have a new temporary Gmail address created for you right here. You can see it's being displayed right here, and now you can create a brand new one for yourself by clicking on create. If you click on create, now what you want to do now is to go ahead and choose either you want to create a Google account or you want to create a Microsoft account. These both are also free, but for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on Google, all right, because we want to create a Google temporary Gmail address. Right now, you want to also click on the username type. You want to make sure it's on random, and account type is an alias. And now for you now, pay attention to this. The domain should be at gmail.com, all right, not googleemail.com. All right, so choose gmail.com, and once you are done with that, go ahead and click on create. So if you do click on create, you can see it's going to take a while, and you can see we already have two disposable email address that we can make use of. All right, now this particular website is going to be allowing you create 3 disposable Gmail account at a goal. So once you've exhausted the 3 ones, you can create another free. So it means that you can have unlimited temporary Gmail address that can be used for verification, free trials, and every other thing you can think of. So now let's just stop with 2 and let's proceed. So let's say I want to make use of this particular one right now, and I want to create a new, or maybe I want to create an account somewhere and I want to make use of this particular temporary Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy. All right, I click on copy the email address. Now, I want to create an account on this particular platform called card.co. So card.co basically is a free landing page builder that can be used to create landing pages for free and so many other informations that can be used or seen on the website. So for me, let me quickly look for where the sign up button is, and you can see it's right here. So let's go ahead and test out the email address we got from Smailpro if it actually works. So click on sign up right here, and now what you want to do now is to go ahead and fit in your details. So for me, I'm going to put in my name, and right here where I have this email address, I'm going to change it because that is my own real email address. So let me use the demo one I got from Smailpro. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and change my password by putting something. Okay, now let me go ahead and putting up this one here again. Very good. And now let me go ahead and click on I have read and agreed to the terms and use and blah blah blah. Go ahead and click on sign up, and let's see what happens, guys. So click on sign up already, and let's see if we are able to create a new account right here on card.co. And guys, you can see that successfully we have this account created. Now it says your account still needs to be verified. Now go ahead and click on send verification email. and let's see what happens next. So your account is to be verified. An email has been sent to the temporary email address we created from Smailpro. So let's go back to Smailpro, and right here, let's refresh and see what happens. All right, guys, you can see we received a mail from card.co. Now go ahead and open up this email by double tapping. So what you want to do right now is, guys, please, whenever you receive such a mail where you have to verify your account directly from Smailpro, please don't click on verify. Just rather go ahead and copy up this particular link being sent to you by the platform. It is much easier that way. Copy it, then go over to a new page, and you want to go ahead and click on paste and go to card. Right, you can see automatically, guys, it brings us to this place. And now let me input my password once again, and I'm going to click on login, and let's see what happens. All right, guys, so you can see now it says all done. So it means that with the temporary email address we got from Smailpro, guys, we were able to create a brand new account right here on card.co, even without using our own personal real Gmail account. So this is one method for you to start using if you want to create temporary Gmail account and avoid being spammed. All right, or maybe you want to do some things like free trials, you want to test out some free tools, and you don't want to make use of your old personal Gmail account. With this particular software, or with this particular website rather, guys, you can create temporary Gmail account and you can use it for anything basically. So okay, and you can see if I go now, let me just check out my profile just to show you guys. You can see, guys, this is the email we have right here. The email right here is what we have right here on Smailpro. So you can see how very easy and how very simple it is for you now to start creating temporary Gmail account without paying a penny, and all of this works absolutely for free and 100% every time you want to make use of. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, please. All right, and tell me what you feel about Smailpro.com down in the comment box below, and I would like to hear a response. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you there. Bye.